In this video, I'm going to show you how to see reels liked by your friends on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then, tap the play icon located beside the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. From there, at the top of the feed, you may be able to see the reels your friends have liked, if this feature is available on your account. If you don't see that option, it may be because your app is not updated or the feature has not been rolled out yet to your account or region. In that case, here's what you can do. First, go back to the main menu and tap on Help. Second, select Help Center. Third, in the search bar, type Reels liked by friends and check the info provided. If the option is still not available, tap on Report a Problem. Next, select Include and Continue. After that, you may type this message. Submit the report and wait for Instagram to review your requests. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.